Hello and welcome to InteriCAD. This is a program for all designers and all sales guys within furnitures, within textiles, carpets. Every sales guy that would like to produce their products in virtual reality. I hereby start by drawing a room. We have a lot of room forms in here, but in this case I'll just select simple one, change the measurements and put it in. After here I can put in doors, windows, very simple, just change, space, tap. And now I can go on to the next step. This is the workflow, so it's very simple for everyone to follow. And for the interior designers who want more, we have the menus up here to do more specified things. I just follow the next work step, and that is to put in the furnitures. In InteriCAD Lite, if you are a designer, you have lots of templates, lots of models, lots of materials that will come with the program. You can see within here, for example, we have some different kinds of chairs. So it's just to pick up the one that you have to use. You can also, as an interior designer, very simple import 3D Studio Max files, SketchUp files, DVG, DXF and so on. So it's very simple to use new models every time. In this case I use our little training library, so it's very simple, and I'll just put in the furnitures I like, and they will turn around when they hit the wall. Put in a carpet, and InteriCAD Lite is intelligent, so when I put it in, it knows it has to stay on the floor. I continue. I can just click here, click on the measurement, and then I can adjust the distance to the wall. I continue a little here in 2D, but in InteriCAD it's free for the user to choose what to put in 2D and what to put in 3D. Very simple menus. I just click on space if I'd like to turn it around in other angles. Here I can just add some size to it. I put in the land and use my space again. Now I think I'm finished for the first step, so now I go to 3D, and here I can select the different kinds of templates for which kind of house I need to do. We have the most templates inside already, but of course you can also decide special templates for your business. We take a modern one here. And now we get everything automatically in 3D. So I go into my room, and here I can go around by dragging with the mouse. Very simple. And if I have made a whole house here, so I have more rooms, I have a fine little view here, and I can just click and say, here I am, and in this direction I would like to look. Now I continue my work in 3D, put up paintings like this, and again I can make it bigger, or I can just say how big I want it, like this, or maybe like this, and so. Okay, this is good. Again, just click on it and say, okay, here it has to be. We also need something in front of our window. Put it up, click on the object and make it bigger so it actually fits to this room. So all menus needed are available and made in a very simple form, so everyone, even both the furniture sales guy and the interior designer, can easily get into this program and get started by doing some work. This part is very good, because as you see, IntelliCAD works with the surfaces. So it's very, very simple to place objects also in elevation. Normally you have to go in different views to get this done, but here you just put it where you like, just as in the reel. So now I think that we are done with the room. So what I would like to do is to see how is this looking with lights and so on. So I go in and check my lights. Here I select the windows. There's already sun in it, but maybe I would like it more into the room, maybe in another angle. Again, it's very, very easy because you see what you get. You don't have to go and make the rendering first. It comes right away. Another thing I need to do is to turn on the sunlight. As you saw in start, it's very simple to do both daylight picture and night pictures with IntelliCAD. Put on the straights and end. So now I ask IntelliCAD to calculate for me how the light will look like, how the shadows will be. And a very, very strong point here is that making a picture is divided into two parts. The first part is the calculation of the light and the shadows, what we're doing now. And the second part, which is maybe 20% of a picture, we can do afterwards. And that means that we can go around, have a new position, and then we only have to spend the last 20% again. So it really, really saves time when you, as a designer or a furniture sales guy, need to do several pictures. I think for this demo, maybe it's time enough to do this shadow and light calculation. But of course, if you're going to use this as a marketing picture, then you just keep it on going, because the longer it stands here and calculate, the more natural the picture you will get in the end. I think this is okay. I say stop, and now IntelliCAD asks me, shall I adjust the light for you? Yes, thank you. Can do that automatically. Of course, the people with more knowledge, they can adjust these things as they would like to. Maybe say I need a little more light or whatever. Good. Now I take the last 20%. This is the picture. So we say yes, thank you. I would like a picture here. And as you see here in the last part, you get all the reflections and the mirrors added to the picture. So this one we save. And as I said before, the good part here is now I can just go into the picture, make a new position, and just say, get a picture out for me. So already now I've actually saved the 80% of my shadow and light calculation. A typical step if you are an interior designer is also to adjust how it is with all the colors and the textures you're using in the room. For this we have several different possibilities. One is the normal material menu, where you can go to your color and simply put in all the colors available like this. Another possibility is to go to our menu and look at the different possibilities we have here. So we can add in special walls, special effects from the menu, from this one. For example, we can take this and put on this wall. So we have some special effects. Maybe this is not the best. If you look with the eyes of a designer. So another thing you can do is actually just play with the JPEGs, normally JPEGs. And this is a very, very, very strong point for IntelliCAD, because as a designer you really, really need to change these objects, to have it from developers' websites, to take picture with the camera. Whatever you do is just a simple JPEG. So now I change the painting on the wall, as you see, and in this way you can very easily get in the stuff you need. For the guys that really know about playing with pictures and materials, they may think now this is very good that they can do that, just drag it in, there's no import problems or anything. But these surfaces are plain. No, this works on every surface. As you see, we can put in this on the floor. And also, this is actually a picture taken from one of our exhibitions. And you can just take it in and put it on the furniture. Again, this is because that Interior CAD is very intelligent. All the models already know from start how to react when you put in textures. Another thing I can do is I can steal material from one to another, so I can say, well, this color here, can you please put that on this one and this one? Already now we actually changed the room quite a lot. So I say, okay, I save a new picture for my customer so they can see the differences. And again, remember, we do not have to calculate lights and shadows again, because a texture will not affect on the lights and shadows. So in this phase we also save a lot of time. We can play on a little more with the materials to see other results. So now we get a little more brown, and we also here on the table, and we can change the floor. So quite easily I can make a totally new room for this. So this is how it is with Interior CAD. If you are a sales guy, it's very fast. You can easily get to the end point where you can get the order. And if you are an interior designer, you do not have to spend many hours to get into the program. This program is made for you to be creative instead of a software expert. The last part in this is also a visualization, and again it's made very simple. You have two ways that you can do it. For all of the stuff you actually say, where am I going? From this point, from this point, this point. And now I have two possibilities. I can make a visualization where I look in the direction I walk. This is very well used for our customers that have to present a bigger apartment or house, so you actually get a virtual reality round tour in the house. You can also have one seal point to look at, and that I will show here. This means that you go in the direction of the curve we make, but you look at one point. So this is very good for showing products. So here Interior CAD says, is this what you like? Is this the way you'd like to go? And if you would like that, then is to say, okay, go on and make me a real video, and then Interior CAD makes all the work for you, making all the pictures to make a really nice and smooth video. We have some possibilities here also. I can show you. Like this. Here a designer have made more visualizations for the same room. So it says to the customer, here you have example 1, and I go a little forward, and here you have example 2. A nice way to show your customer the different possibility he or she has to do this room on. Thank you so much for this. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you.